Hello everybody, welcome to another Strike Zone, second edition for the 22-23 season. Let's dive right into it. First of all, a reminder, especially because we got a lot of new bowling schools, we follow the USBC bowling rules. They're linked up in this document today. They're also on the bowling webpage. So again, we follow that governing body, the USBC, in addition to what is in the NSAA bowling manual. Speaking of the manual, that is also posted and linked up on this document, posted and updated on the webpage. There's been a recent change, two recent changes that I emailed and shared yesterday, the 8th of November, dealing with tiebreaker language and also the amount of state singles qualifiers. So make sure you're up to date on that. Take a look at those things when you have the chance. I've also linked up for coaches a reminder to the dates tied to the online rules meeting. All head coaches are required to watch that. If you have not done that already, do so ASAP. We're already in the $25 pay period. If you are getting new uniforms, make sure you remember that we are going to require numbers as of next season, the 23-24 season. Maybe add those to the mix now this year and take care of that ahead of time. This next topic was in the last strike zone, but I think it's important. If you have not done so already, make sure you are over communicating with your bowling centers, whether it's practice, meets, schedule, contest schedule. Make sure you're over communicating right now with those bowling centers. They're entering their busy season, as are you, and so make sure you're on the same page with regards to the amount of lanes you need, the times, the dates, etc. Let's talk briefly about what happens on Monday the 14th. That is the first official day of practice for high school bowling and other winter activities in the NSAA realm. After or on the 14th through the end of your season, any high school bowler, they are not permitted to participate on outside non-school teams, outside or non-school leagues, practices. They can't even be a pacer bowler in any of these non-school leagues. So make sure you're educating your kids and your families on this topic. Again, a lot of you are new to the NSAA bowling realm. Over communicate with your families these rules. Additionally, once that season starts on the 14th, students cannot participate in outside group instruction. This is an old bylaw going back to a point in time where we really wanted to protect the high school season in all of our activities, because this just isn't a bowling rule. But nonetheless, kids can't go to like a bowling camp and get group instruction during the season. So make sure you're over communicating those rules. Once the season starts, those take place. We just want to be proactive on that front. And then finally, your bowling schedules, which remember there's a wild card criteria tied to this. There's wild card points obtained as a team throughout the season. Those schedules will lock after Thursday the 17th of November. So make sure your make sure ADs are logging in and entering your bowling schedules. Again, some of you are new. Take note of the required minimum of 5 interschool contests on the schedule at a minimum before the postseason. So maybe some of you need to add some contests here late before the deadlines hit. And you still have time to do that, but just a reminder that the deadline for schedules is the 17th. With that, take care, everybody. We'll see you soon.